Do you want to learn something fresh that has never been seen before on our channel? There is one program that you can use to generate money online for free, and it is a highly accessible feature in that you can use it on your mobile phones and download it for free on your Android or iOS devices. Before we get into that, let me introduce you to two more applications that pay you merely for installing them. These two applications have nothing to do with the first app, but they will all help you to make the most of your time in order to earn as much money as possible. Let's start with the first two applications, and then we'll talk about the main app I'll be presenting to you for this video, in which you can make a lot of money. Before we go on to this brand new video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Let me tell you about the first app, which is called Moneysmsapp.com. Technically, that is the name of their official website, but as I've previously stated, you can use this on your mobile device. So we'll just download it on your smartphone and set up an account. It's really simple because it's just an app where you can earn money online by receiving SMS generated by their system and their customers. You can even do it with one hand. All you have to do is download it to your device and set up an account. After that, you could expect random messages to be sent to you. Here's another great thing about this app. You don't have to reply to any of those messages because they have no value, so you can simply delete them as soon as you receive them. And even if you delete the messages, you will still be paid for each and every SMS that you receive. To summarize, there is no work involved. You simply create your account, set it aside, and wait for the messages to arrive. And then you will be paid for each and every SMS that you receive, and you can learn more about the process and how it works on their website. However, keep an eye out for the details because this one app can only be used through an Android device. While the app works on both iOS and Android systems, it can only be used on Android devices, unfortunately due to Android's feature that allows the system to read SMS messages. You can only generate money through an Android device, by the way. I did a lot of research on this app, and the amount of positive feedback is really overwhelming. People are extremely happy with this app, and how they're making money is very easy. Also, you shouldn't worry about anything because this app is highly secure, because it only reads the SMS messages that were sent by the user. It will never be able to read your private messages, login information, or other personal data, and users are also pleased with the overall system because it operates automatically through an automated system. Additionally, there is a referral program through which you can invite your friends and colleagues to join this app. That's great because it means you can get up to 30% of your referral earnings. And for example, if your friend made $100, you'll get 30% of that, or $30. This will continue for the rest of your life, resulting in passive income. Once again, the app is completely free and you'll never have to pay for it. So just go to this website and see how it works. Now let me show you some of the interface of this website. This is how the dashboard of the app will appear, where we will download the app. Next, you can see a referral code that you can even hand out to your friends and colleagues. If you follow the steps that I told you about and simply register to get automated SMS messages and get paid just like that. Now you're probably wondering if it's too good to be true. Is this app legit or is it a scam? Don't worry, you can personally check the app's integrity by looking at the proof of payments that many users have received. You can also visit the website right here on their page, and in order to ensure that they are legitimate and the app complies with the most recent GDPR privacy policy regulations by taking the required and relevant steps and interventions to ensure that they do. So simply go to the website and learn everything you need to know. As I previously stated, I've done extensive research to guarantee that this website is functional for you to utilize. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. This next app that I'll be showing you is another way to earn passive income. The website is called cashmagnet.com, and as the name implies, it's a cash magnet. Unfortunately, this app only works for Android devices. However, stay with me and watch the rest of the video because I have a surprise for you at the end. With your Android phone, you can earn money every minute without doing anything strenuous, just like the first app. Cash Magnet compiles the best reward programs for you to play. Given that information, Cash Magnet will pay you significantly more than the SMS app. We're simply working our way up from the bottom to the top, starting with the app that pays the least to the app that pays the most. This app is literally so simple and brings you a whole new level of fun and joy because it only asks you to play games and watch amusing ads. You can start earning money as soon as you download and install the app. So you can get more money quickly without even breaking a sweat. You can even use as many devices as you want to get more money. Users have been ecstatic about their journey in Cash Magnet because they are already able to buy the things that they have long desired. If you download the app and follow the steps that I just told you about, you too can join the tens of thousands of users who are enjoying this app. Also, don't worry about the security of this app because it is assured that your personal information will not be used. As a result, you can rest certain that this program is entirely safe and secure to use. Of course, this app is completely free and you can use it whenever you want. There are no fees, charges, or payments required for you to use these apps. At this point, you've already learned about ways to earn money, where you literally don't have to do anything but leave your device and let it do its thing. This is the beauty of passive income. Now I'll tell you about the last app for this video, which will pay you up to $600 per year just for listening to your favorite music. You can use this app for free on any device, whether it's an iPhone or an Android device, as they're both available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. All you have to do is download the app on your device and then listen to your favorite tunes to earn points. The more songs you listen to, the more points you'll get. As a result, the more money you can make by simply listening to music whenever you want. Browse and navigate the program for over 100,000 radio stations anywhere. To find your favorite songs and listen to them while getting paid overall for this app, you no longer have to sit through some random music that you find on SoundCloud and that you're not actually fond of. Instead, you can actually listen to music that you enjoy and even get paid for it, since listening to music is a very common activity for many people nowadays. I'm sure you're an avid listener to your favorite songs. Make it even better with this app because now you can get paid to listen to music every day, gain points by streaming songs, spend your points on your favorite brand, and do so much more. What's even better about this app is that it's widely available in so many countries. You can simply download it to your smartphone wherever you are and start earning money by listening to music as soon as possible. Since I haven't mentioned it, the app is actually current.us. Visit their official website to learn more about the app and how it works. This software is accessible on both Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, so you can use it on whatever device you own. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.